Hey everyone! Today we're taking a close, honest look at something that's been popping up a lot online. The Embroom Embroidery Stitch Book. Is it a legit craft kit or a scam? Let's break it down in plain language. Right now they're running a big sale, advertised as a Cyber Monday deal. 55% off. That brings the price for one book down to $34.99. They offer payment plans for orders over $35. The more you buy, the more you seem to save. For example, buying 3 is listed at just under $105. On their official website, this product has a high rating, 5 stars from over 515 reviews. That's a lot of positive feedback. The main idea behind the kit is to offer a form of creative therapy. It encourages you to take about 10 minutes a day away from screens and stress. The book itself is made of soft fabric pages designed to hold your stitches, making it a calming, tactile activity. Each set comes with everything you need to start right away. The fabric book, a needle, a threader, scissors, and colorful threads. It's meant for all skill levels, whether you've never picked up a needle or you're looking for a relaxing project. The designs start simple and get more detailed, teaching you various stitches along the way. But is the website itself trustworthy? Checked a popular site review tool. It gives the Embroom.com website a trust score of 82 out of 100, labeling it very likely safe. Here's why that is. Positive points. The site has secure checkout features, uses proper payment methods that may offer buyer protection, and has a valid security certificate. Points to consider. The website is relatively new, and while it has many reviews on its own product page, it doesn't have a wide presence on major, independent review platforms. So is it a scam? Based on the available information, the Embroom Embroidery Stitch Book itself appears to be a legitimate physical product from a seemingly safe website. The high volume of on-site reviews suggests real people are buying it. However, because the brand is newer, doing a quick search for Embroom reviews off their own site might give you more user experiences. As always, make sure you're comfortable with the store's return policy before you buy. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more straightforward reviews. Thanks for watching.